Hi everyone. So recently my car had its 4th year service and MOT. Some of you may be wondering how much it costs to service an MX-5, so I'll be sharing that information in this video. I'll be giving you a breakdown of the total price that I paid, and I'll also be explaining some additional things that I got done to the car during its service. I won't be able to share details about the garage I went to, but hopefully the prices will give you a good idea on how much the individual items should cost you. Firstly, to start off with is the MOT, and thankfully it passed with no issues. The MOT cost me £50, which is usually a standard price for any car. The base price for the full service was £220. From my last year's service I was advised to get my brake fluid changed, so that cost £26. I also decided to get the gearbox and differential oil replaced. Now, the owner's manual states that you should only replace the gearbox oil every 60,000 miles or every 4 years. So since this is the 4th year, I decided to get it done. Both of those things cost £38. The engine oil cost £46 and the oil filter cost £10. So the total price for all of this worked out to be around £390. I was quite happy with this price, as a lot of the things that have been done now don't need to be done again for another few years, so next year's service should be a bit cheaper. One thing that I couldn't get done was the air filter replacement, as they had none in stock, so I'll just need to order my own and change it myself. I've heard it's quite a long process to replace an air filter in these cars, but I'll try to make a video on explaining how it's done. Well, I hope you found that useful, and hopefully you have a better idea on how much it costs to service and maintain an MX-5 RF. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.